YouTube error 400? Don't worry. This guide will walk you through every fix, step by step. Let's get your YouTube working again.
First, try the simplest fix. On desktop, press F5 or Ctrl-R to refresh the page. On mobile, force close the YouTube app and reopen it. On Smart TV, exit the app completely and relaunch it.
Next, check if YouTube itself is down. Visit Downdetector.com or search for YouTube down on X. If YouTube works in a different browser, the problem is on your end, not YouTube's.
Open an Incognito window by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N in Chrome. If YouTube works in Incognito, the issue is your cookie's cache or a browser extension. That narrows it down quickly.
Now, let's do the most important fix. Clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three dots, then go to Delete Browsing Data. Check both cookies and cached files. Set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. This single step fixes most error 400 cases. You can also clear data specifically for YouTube.com and Google.com to keep other sites logged in.
Browser extensions can interfere with YouTube. Disable all your extensions temporarily, then reload YouTube. If the error disappears, an extension is the culprit. Re-enable them one by one to find it. The usual suspects are ad blockers, privacy extensions, and video downloaders.
An outdated browser can cause error 400 as well. In Chrome, go to Settings, then About Chrome. It will automatically check for updates. Make sure you are running the latest version. The same applies to Firefox, Safari, and Edge.
VPNs are a common trigger for error 400. YouTube aggressively blocks Datacenter IP addresses in 2026. Turn off your VPN and test YouTube. If it works without the VPN, your VPN server IP is on YouTube's Blocklist.
Changing your DNS server can resolve error 400. On Windows, go to Settings, Network, and Internet, then your connection's hardware properties. Change DNS to manual. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8 and the alternate to 8.8.4 for Google DNS. Or use 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 for Cloudflare DNS. Save and restart your browser.
An incorrect system clock can break SSL authentication and cause error 400. Go to your system settings and sync your date and time. On Windows, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time and click Sync Now. On Mac, enable automatic date and time in System Settings.
On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then YouTube. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. For a thorough fix, also tap Clear Data. This will sign you out, but it completely resets the app. Reopen YouTube and sign back in.
Open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If an update button appears, tap it. An outdated app version often causes server errors. Also, check your data settings. Long press the YouTube app icon, go to App Info, then Mobile Data. Enable background data and data while Data Saver is on. Finally, disable Restricted Mode in YouTube settings under General.
On iPhone, iOS does not have a cache clear option. Delete the YouTube app completely, restart your iPhone, then reinstall YouTube from the App Store. Also check that mobile data is enabled for YouTube in Settings, and verify that date and time has set automatically turned on.
For smart TVs, start with a full power cycle. Unplug the TV for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears cached data completely. Next, clear the YouTube app cache in your TV settings. Update your TV firmware through the support menu. And if possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection.
When basic fixes do not work, go deeper. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac, run the DNS flush command in Terminal. As a last resort, reset your network settings. On Android, go to System Reset Options. On iOS, go to General, Transfer or Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will forget your saved Wi-Fi passwords.
So, what exactly is error 400? It is an HTTP bad request error. Your device sent a request that YouTube servers could not understand. In most cases, it is a client-side issue. The top causes are corrupted cookies, stale cache, VPN interference, wrong date and time, and outdated apps. Now you know exactly why it happens and how to fix it.
Here is a quick recap of all the fixes. Refresh or restart your device. Check Downdetector. Try Incognito mode. Clear your cache and cookies. Disable browser extensions. Update your browser or app. Turn off your VPN. Change your DNS server. And fix your date and time settings. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.